You ever feel like your brain has a mind of its own? Well, today, we're going to put that to the test. Get ready for a brain speed test that's going to show you just how fast you can really think. All right, we're jumping right in. The rule is super simple. Your job is to say the color you see, not the word that's written. Think you've got this? Let's find out. Okay, first one up. Remember, just say the color. Did you feel that? Even just a little split second of hesitation? That's exactly what we're here to talk about. This is way trickier than it looks. Yeah, on the surface it seems so easy, but like you just felt, when the meaning of a word clashes with its actual color, your brain kind of hits a speed bump. It's forced to pause for a second and figure out which instruction it's supposed to follow. You know, this little test is actually a window into your brain's command center. It shows us how quickly your prefrontal cortex, the boss of your brain, can step in and override a really deeply ingrained automatic habit, like reading.
And there's a name for this little mental tug-of-war you're feeling. It's called the Stroop Effect. It's a classic cognitive challenge where your brain's super-fast automatic reading system gets into a fight with the part that's trying to recognize the color.
So what are we really looking at here? This is more than just a party trick. This test is actually measuring some pretty crucial brain functions. Your raw processing speed, how well you control your attention, your ability to shut down an impulse, and your overall mental flexibility. So hey, if you felt your brain kind of stutter or pause, don't worry about it. That hesitation is a good sign. It actually means the test is working perfectly, and your brain is actively trying to manage two conflicting signals at once. Okay, enough practice. Time for the real deal, the 10-second challenge. The rules are right there. Just remember the main thing. Ignore that powerful urge to read the word. Just say the color of the ink. So if you see the word blue in red ink, you say red. Simple enough? Let's do this.
Okay, take a deep breath, get focused. Your 10-second test starts now.
First one.
Come on.
Keep it going. Just the color.
You're halfway there.
Even though it'll work.
Almost done.
Just two or.
Last one. And time's up. Well done. You can breathe now.
Phew. Okay, how was that? Seriously, did you feel your brain kind of stumble or get stuck, even for just a second? That little hesitation is exactly what this is all about. So what was actually happening inside your head just then? Well, it was a battle. Your automatic system, the part that's been trained for years to read instantly, was shouting, "Read the word." At the exact same time, your controlled system had to slam on the brakes and insist, no, wait, focus on the color. That feeling of hesitation, that's your inhibitory control system kicking into high gear. You can think of it like your brain's very own stop sign. It literally halts an automatic response so your conscious mind can jump in and make the right decision. And here's the cool takeaway. Every time you do an exercise like this, you're not just playing a game. You are giving your prefrontal cortex a fantastic workout. You're actively strengthening your cognitive speed, your focus, your mental agility, and what scientists call executive control, which is basically your ability to manage your own thoughts and actions.
You know, this whole thing points to a much bigger idea about how our minds work. It kind of makes you wonder, doesn't it? If reading is this automatic, and it takes this much conscious effort to override it, what else is your brain doing on autopilot every single day?